Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. So today's video is actually going to be a vlog. I'm really sorry guys that I didn't post on Wednesday because I had some technical issues, one, and two, I don't think I'm going to still be posting 3 times a week. I don't know, it's not easy for me, for my schedule. It's not really easy, so I'm going to be posting twice, and I think it's going to be on Wednesdays and Sundays. Okay, so something happened this Wednesday, so that's why I couldn't post this Wednesday. So anyways guys, I hope you're good. I hope you're staying safe. So for today, I'm actually on my way out. Not on my way out, but I'm about to go out. Just guess what? Me and my sister Nkechi, we're about to go out, and then we want to just walk, and the sun is hot, but we're going to still walk. We're going to walk. We are going to wear sunshades, and in this Lagos, oh my god. Anyways, the sun is really hot, and just come with us guys. We're going to get some stuff from the supermarket. It's not really far, but we want to just exercise. Okay, it's been long we walked. All right guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Stay tuned, okay? Don't leave me. Hello. So guys, I've not really come out in a while, but then like come out, trek, move around. I've just been indoors, but then Sister Nkechi is tired. She's saying it's already far. I have never reached road. Alright guys, stay with us on this, okay? It's going to be a fun vlog. So we finally got to the supermarket after more than an hour's trek under the hot sun. Like, we were literally tired. Like, we had not done this before, we had not tried this before. But then it was really a nice experience. We just came out, okay? So we were actually looking for something, and then I came across this hair section. I love passing this side because I kind of feed my eyes, and that's what I love to do in a supermarket, feed my eyes a lot. And I love these water curls particularly. I was just looking at it, like looking at it with one eye. So this is the section where you find your body wash, but I was actually looking for a body cream. So I was just feeding my eyes. Like, I really love to do that if I have the time to do that, okay? So I was just moving around. I then finally got to where I would find what I was looking for, a body cream, and I was just checking through looking for a particular type. After I got it, I got the soap, and it was time for us to go, but I was still feeding my eyes. So we came across these hair extensions again, and then I found my thread, my African thread. I was just looking at it because I actually wanted to make thread, but then I was not yet ready to get it. So I just still looked at this, my beautiful water curls, and after looking at it, I had to part ways with it. Then I came across the makeup section. Like, I really don't like coming across this section because I might be tempted to get 1 or 2 things, but in this situation I just kept looking at it, and after looking at it I still left. So guys, we are back. See, I'm really tired. I had to remove my wig. I'm tired. I need fresh air, okay? So guys, this is the shawarma. Finally got the shawarma. I don't even know. It was Nkechi that made me to buy this shawarma, I know, but then I'm happy. I'm going to eat it. So I have my zobo here. My zobo drink here. So guys, I want us to just something while I eat. So what do you guys think? I was thinking of something lately, and then I don't really know. Would you say, for let's say a youth now, would you say the person should go for the person should go for his passion, or the person should go for his profession? That is, if the passion and the profession are not complementary. Let's take for instance a person being a doctor and a person having the passion to be an artist, an actor. So will you say the person should go for his passion or go for his profession? And I was also thinking, we give a lot of time for for profession, and not that much time for passion. How do I mean? Like, we go to the university, we go to secondary school, like we train ourselves for the profession, but we don't really train ourselves for the passion. And you shouldn't just say that passion don't give money. Like, let's say a person has passion for being a footballer. You know, people are getting a lot of money from football, and also people are making it in, let's say, acting, dancing, singing. So we really don't give it let's say, go to school, go for proper training for passion. We think it's just practice. While for profession, we go for proper training. We go to school 6 years. We would still not maybe make it. Sometimes people go for medical school and still not come out medical doctors, and then they'll now go back and start doing one thing or the other, going back to school for music, or you understand. So I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think? Will you say a person, like a child, should just go straight into passion, or the person should just go into profession the way everybody is and training it? Because guys, let me just tell you the truth. I feel talent used to go, like it actually goes away, because sometimes, okay, when I was young, I knew how to write. I used to write stories a lot that time, and then I remember my brother would tell me I should keep those stories, that I might use it in the future, and I never really kept them. I just wrote them, gave it out to my friends. They read it and they were really writing. They were like, it's interesting. So a small girl like you can write this kind of thing. Fast forward to JSS 2, JSS 3. I couldn't, like, I stopped writing because I was now into reading. Now, I don't know, I can't even write like the way I used to write before. I'll just write something and it's not captivating the way it used to be, because then they'll be like, are you the person that wrote this thing? Like, it's really interesting. But now we don't know what's up. So I feel it's the same thing with your passion. Maybe your talent is your passion. Maybe you have talent in singing and you have passion for it, and then if you stop singing for a very long time, I feel you might not have that voice that's as it used to be before, and it dies down. And it happens. I'm very sure it happened, because it happened to me. Maybe for you to now resurrect it, it has to take a number of training, a number of practice. So what do you think about this topic? So guys, I'm done eating the shawarma. Guys, see, shawarma is not something you eat outside. This thing will disgrace you. God, I don't even like eating shawarma outside. Like, I don't think I've ever eaten shawarma outside. I don't think so. I always like to come back, eat it in my house, in my comfort zone, because as you're eating, it's falling out somewhere. Like, why now? Why? Shawarma is something else. I like it a lot, but eating it outside is something else, because it just disgrace you. It just fall out from that place. Anyways guys, I think I have to end the vlog here. So if you enjoyed this vlog, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down, or rather below, and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button, so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, please leave your comments in the comment section below, and please share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I would see you in my next one. Bye bye. Cheers.